Hi friends, it's Miss Allison. How are you? Today we're going to do a penny cleaning experiment. We're going to do a couple different things, but the first thing we're going to do is gather some pennies. I'm sure you have lots of pennies in your house. They all look different. The newer pennies are the really shiny ones. They're copper. The older pennies start looking dark like this. So we're gonna see if we could use some household things and clean them. Does anybody know what this is? This is a toothbrush. We're gonna try first a toothbrush and toothpaste. Do you think this will clean pennies like it cleans teeth? So I picked a penny that's dark and dirty. I'm gonna add a little bit of toothpaste. And then I'm gonna use an old toothbrush, not one that you're still currently using. Wet it a little bit, and I'm going to start scrubbing. So, circular motions like you would actually brush your teeth. So, smells good. It smells nice and minty. Do you think that this is gonna make it nice and shiny like a newer penny? Let's see. Let me dip it in the water. It's a little shinier, but not super shiny. So, I don't know that toothpaste cleans pennies and makes them as shiny as we thought it would. But let's try some other things. Over here, I have a tray with lots of different items, household items. We'll see if they can clean pennies soaking in them better than the toothpaste. So the first item is soy sauce, salt, which obviously we'd have to add with water, dish detergent, tomato ketchup, and some juice from pickles because I didn't have any vinegar. So we'll see how that does. And I have these glass bowls that I'm gonna put right in front of each thing. Which thing do you think, if any of them, do you think is gonna clean the pennies the best? So what I'm gonna do now is add a dirty penny to each glass bowl of these items. Okay, and now I'm gonna cover that, with the sauce. Okay, so that's some soy sauce. Here we're gonna add some salt and some water. A little drop of dish soap. And a little bit more water. Some ketchup. And some of the juice from the pickle jar. Okay. So, did you already decide which one you think it's gonna be? So what I did was a while ago, I added the stuff in my own, just for an experiment's sake, so that we don't have to wait the whole time. So the soy sauce didn't really do that much. A little bit shinier, but not that much. The salt didn't even do as much as the soy sauce did. The dish soap, which you would think would make it really clean, did nothing. Did not even clean it at all. The ketchup see what the ketchup did. Ketchup didn't really clean it at all. Well, actually, it did take off some of the dark, but not that much. And then the pickle juice, which would be vinegary, took off some of it, but not the most. Actually, the one that cleaned it the most is the soy sauce, which I would not have expected, but strange. But if you look at all the pennies, it looks like the soy sauce and the salt cleaned the most out of all of these things. Even more than the toothpaste. That's interesting. So that's how you do an experiment, is you try each thing and you see how it works out. And sometimes it doesn't work out as what you think it's going to. Did anybody guess that it was going to be the soy sauce? Wasn't me. Okay, well, thank you for experimenting with me. And I hope that you have fun trying this in your own home. You can even use different ingredients and see what you think. Thank you, and have fun experimenting. See you next time.